Govind Singh Dotasara ji, friends and colleagues who have come from different parts of the country, I would like to add my welcome to you too. इसको थोड़ा पीछे करना. Chintan Shivir in this historic city with such a glorious heritage has as its theme Nav Sankalp. It gives us an opportunity to discuss amongst ourselves the numerous challenges that the country is facing as a result of the policies of the BJP and of the RSS and its affiliates. It is also an occasion to deliberate on the many tasks ahead of us. So it is both a Chintan about national issues and a meaningful Atma Chintan about our party organization. I am well aware that many of our colleagues wanted to be here with us, but we had to limit participation for a variety of reasons. But I'm sure they will understand. And not being here does not in any way devalue the role they are playing in our organization. Friends, by now it has become abundantly and most painfully clear what Prime Minister Modi and his colleagues really mean by their frequently repeated slogan, maximum governance, minimum government. It means keeping the country in a state of permanent polarization, compelling people to live in a constant state of fear and insecurity. It means